Hey, it's Maryam. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a simple fall makeup look using a mixture of products, some new, some of my old favorites. I am super excited that Sephora partnered up with me for this video. As a Sephora squad member, I'm always trying out new products and being introduced to new products, and I occasionally like to treat myself to some luxury products too, which I like to mix up into my daily routine, daily makeup routine. The reason why I like luxury products is because they have really nice packaging. I'm always drawn to their sleek and beautiful packaging, and I always can trust that they have really nice quality to them. So today I wanted to show you some of those products too and incorporate it in this fall makeup look. The first one is Tom Ford Eye Color Quad Eyeshadow Palette. I got the color Honeymoon. Okay, I wanted to swatch some of these colors for you because I just have to show you how they swatch. They feel so smooth and has really nice color payoff. Look at that. The other product I picked up is the Gucci Mascara Lip Scare. The brush tip is narrow and smaller, perfect for catching the smaller lashes and getting into the inner corners and places that's hard to get mascara on. So those are the two luxury products that I wanted to incorporate in this. And so let's get started. I went ahead and primed my eyes and did my eyebrows to save us a little bit of time. Now let's get started with the eyeshadow look. I normally would do my face, but this time I want to switch it up and do my eyeshadow first. I'm going to take the Sephora Pro Crease number 19, and I'm going to use this color here. Just saturate the tip of my brush. Then I'm going to start from the outer V and take it along this part of my eye where the crease is. And then you want to make sure if you put on concealer or eyeshadow primer to make sure there's no creases before you put your eyeshadow, because you don't want that crease to show. And then whatever's left on my brush, I take it towards the inner corner, just kind of sweep back and forth. I always like to start the process of layering the eyeshadow slowly. I like to start by just laying out the color first, lighter, and then if I need to deepen it, it's easier to deepen it afterwards. If you put too much in the beginning, then it's harder to go back, but you can always build up the color. So that's what I'm doing here, just kind of building up the color. Holding my brush like this and taking this up a little bit higher than the crease to make sure that it blends nicely. I'm taking Sephora Pro Brush 15. I'm going to take this golden shade, this darker gold. I'm going to put that on the middle of my moving lid, and then I'm going to take it in all the way to the inner corner. I'm going to take this color, the light gold. I'm going to put that in the inner corner. Then with the Sephora 14 Pro Shadow Brush, I'm going to take this beautiful plum shade. I'm going to put that on the lash line. I'm kind of running that on my lash line and then kind of diffusing it to the outer V, just to deepen the outer V a little bit. I want to add a little bit of more of this color to the crease and darken it just slightly. Okay, so I'm going to do the other eye too, and I'll be right back. I really like how the colors blend so nicely into each other, and it's very seamless. I'm using the Laura Mercier foundation primer to prime my skin. The Laura Mercier primer is really hydrating too, so I really like it because I know it does the job. Now I'm gonna use the Makeup Forever Reboot, and I'm gonna use a damp beauty blender. I'm wearing the shade 1355, and I really like this foundation because it's skin-like. I'm wearing the Rare Beauty. This is a new launch at Sephora. It's by Selena Gomez. And this one is in shade 250W. I just dot it on under my eyes. I don't want to build up too much coverage under my eyes because in my opinion, it looks better when you don't have too much concealer under the eyes. I like putting concealers around my nose too. I was going to powder my face, but before I put on my powder, I'm going to put my blush on first. This color is so pretty. I think this color is gorgeous with this eye look because it really matches it well. On my T-zone, I'm the oiliest, so I'm going to powder my nose with a little bit of this Laura Mercier translucent powder. So I'm going to use this NARS bronzer. This one is called Samoa Matte. Put a little bit on the perimeter of my face. Just gonna bring some color into my face, and I like putting bronzer. This is matte, so I like to kind of contour with it too. I like putting it under my jawline to make my face look slimmer. You see how easy it is to get in the small, fine lashes in the inner corner? And it doesn't clump up my lashes, which I really appreciate. I always like to go the opposite way too, to really saturate my lashes with the mascara. I'm gonna do another coat. This time I'm only focusing on the outer part of, just the outer portion of my lashes. So this is the makeup look that I wanted to do for you for fall. I hope that you enjoyed this video and you found it helpful and some of the tips you can use. If you've treated yourself to some luxury makeup, let me know in the comment section below. I'd love to know what you picked up. I wanted to thank Sephora again for partnering up with me for this video. And if you are new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell next to the subscribe button so you can get notified whenever I upload a new video. Stay healthy, stay safe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!